What's up guys, welcome back to one of the most requested video, and that's Android 12 running on Oneplus 7 series. So here in this video, we'll take a quick look on Android 12 beta 4.1 which is running on my Oneplus 7 Pro, and at the end of video you'll also get to see the installation guide. Before starting the video, once again thank you so much guys for 800 likes on our previous video. And as you all know, we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel but they do watch our videos. So guys, it's a humble request, do consider subscribing to our channel. That will motivate us in making better content. And in today's video, let's keep a like target of 200 likes. And I know you guys gonna do it. And guys, nowadays it's too difficult to install GSI on OnePlus devices. It took me a lot of time to figure out where things were going wrong. But finally, we made it. Also, let me clear you one thing. GSI images are not meant to be used as daily driver. You will obviously see few bugs here and there. And the same thing goes with this particular GSI which I'm using on my Oneplus 7 Pro. So there are few bugs here and there which I'll tell you in this video. If you take a look at the software information here, you can clearly see it's Android 12 which comes with August security patch, and the build number is SPB4.210.715.014 which is beta 4.1. And I know till now most of you guys must be aware about the changes done in Android 12. So we're not going to take a look at those changes because I've already made few videos on that. In this video, we'll talk about things like which are working and which aren't working. First issue after flashing this GSI will be related to this camera application. So here by default, we get this Google camera application pre-installed and that keeps crashing. Though camera module is not broken, you can try a different camera application. So in my case, I tried using open camera application and that seems to be working fine for me. You guys can try out different Google camera applications, and I'll be doing a complete review about this in which I'll include the bug fixes and also will add up the Google camera application link. So let me know in the comment section below what all things you want me to cover in the review part. And the second major issue, what almost every user faces after flashing the GSI, is related to the VoLTE services. So I tried to figure out fix for VoLTE services, but I wasn't able to do much. But trust me guys, give me a day or two, I'll for sure come up with a fix of VoLTE services. And due to VoLTE services, you guys won't be able to use Jio SIM card. So I'm using my primary SIM card which is of Airtel. And here mobile data seems to be working fine, but after installing it for the first time, you won't get to see mobile data or any network on your device. For that, easy fix is go to the internet settings, and here under internet settings, you need to tap on this gear icon, and for once you need to make changes in network type. So if you're not getting network, just switch to 3G and later back to LTE. This will help you get mobile data and network working fine on your device. So these are the two major issues what you're gonna see on your device after flashing the GSI image. And also guys, remember one thing, avoid rebooting your device because every time you reboot, that will completely reset the network settings. So again, you need to follow the same step to enable mobile data or mobile network on your device. For me, both the bands of Wi-Fi working fine, which is 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. With my Airtel SIM, I don't see any kind of issues in calling. But yes, as said, Jio SIM card will not work until we fix VoLTE services. And many users ask about the call recording feature. So call recording feature isn't available on this Google Dialer app which is present on this GSI. None of the sensors have any kind of issues like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyroscope. All the sensors are working fine here. Also, you guys, we won't be able to connect to Bluetooth devices, and still developers are figuring out to fix this issue, and once that's done, I'll do a dedicated video on that too. Under display, we have almost everything working fine like dark theme, and I do like the dark theme present on Android 12. After that, we also have an option of smooth display in which device will automatically switch between 60Hz and 90Hz. About battery backup and charging speed, I'll cover it in my review video. So stay tuned for that and make sure to let me know what all things to be covered in the review part. And I think you guys are aware about this new wallpaper and style. I mean to say the UI changes done with Android 12. So they have added this new option which is themed icon, and this will change the color of the icons present on your home screen. And guys, don't expect things to be working like fingerprint unlock, alert slider. If you want to have lock options, then we have these options available like swipe, pattern, pin and password. So you can use any one of them to lock your device. No face unlock feature and no fingerprint unlock feature. Those things can be seen in the custom ROMs when they are out for Android 12. Under gestures, we have all other stuff which we normally find it on Pixel devices like quick tap, but this feature won't work on your OnePlus 7 series. And then also you won't be able to access to one-handed mode, but there's a shortcut option given for one-handed mode which can be enabled, and if you want to use one-handed mode you can use this shortcut for that, though one-handed gesture isn't working. And at last, other off-screen gestures are also not working on my OnePlus 7 Pro. And you also won't see features like always on display. And guys, it completely depends on person to person whether they feel like using this build on their primary device or not. Though I'll be using it for a day or two because I'll be trying to fix the issues like VoLTE and Bluetooth. But if your device is a primary device, then I won't recommend you guys to flash the same on your particular device. But still, it completely depends on you. If you want to install it, all the download links are given in the description below, and you can also follow the installation guide. Okay, now talking about the installation process. So here you can see I have my OnePlus 7 Pro. First, let me show you the software information. Under about section, you can see my device is running latest build of Oxygen OS, which is 11.0.3.1. And guys, installation is not that difficult, but just make sure you use the right file to install Android 12. I'll mention all the download links in the description below. Before flashing, make sure you are using the right file. And also your device bootloader should be unlocked. So here my device is already unlocked. Let me go to the developer settings, and here under system, developer options, you can see I can't disable OEM unlocking. That means my device bootloader is unlocked. So this is the thing what you need to do it on your device. Now talking about the files on your PC, first you need to install ADB drivers. That link can be found in the description below. That's a exe file. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. After that, you need platform tools. This link can also be found in the description below. In this, make sure you are using the latest platform tools. So just download this file. It'll be in zip format. Once you extract it, you'll see these many files. Inside it, we have few files like boot image, Android 12 system image, and VB meta. So Android 12 system image, you can extract it from the Android 12 GSI, which is linked in the description below. This boot image and VB meta image, you need to extract it from the current version of Oxygen OS which you are running on your device. For example, I'm running Oxygen OS 11.0.3.1. So I have extracted these two files from Oxygen OS 11.0.3.1. If you guys are not aware about extracting the files, then what you can do is you can follow this guide of mine which is about rooting OnePlus 7 series, and in this video I've clearly shown how to extract the images from your stock firmware. So I'll leave this video guide also in the description below. Now let's talk about the installation process. Once you have extracted the files, just copy all those files like boot image, system file and VB meta file and place them inside the platform tools. So here you can see I've placed all these three files. Now what you have to do is you need to boot your device into fast boot mode. So under developer options, you can enable advanced reboot and also USB debugging. But before that guys, make sure you have properly installed ADB drivers. After that, long press on the power key, you will get these three dots, tap on the bootloader. Now you can see my device has successfully booted into fast boot mode, and here under device state you can see unlocked. Now connect your device to PC, and in the platform tool itself, open up command prompt, and the easiest way to open up command prompt is type CMD in the address bar and hit enter. So this will open up command prompt, and first here make sure your device is properly connected in fast boot mode. For that you can give a command that is fast boot devices and hit enter. This will show you a serial number, and that's the same serial number which you can see on your device. Before giving other commands, make sure you have placed these files inside platform tools, which is boot image, system image and VB meta image. And after that, these are the commands what you need to give. So here towards the right hand side, you can see these files have been extracted from Oxygen OS 11.0.3.1. You can find these commands in the description below. Just copy and paste them in the command prompt. So copy the command, paste it in the command prompt by right clicking and hit enter. And the same way, copy second command. In this case, we are flashing boot image on slot B. Hit enter, and now you can see we have successfully flashed boot image on both the slots. Now moving on to the next step, which is flashing GSI image on our OnePlus 7 Pro. So here just copy this command, which is fastboot w flash system, paste it here, give a space, and here you can see we have system image already placed inside the platform tool. So we'll just type system followed by .img and hit enter. Now this will flash Android 12 on our OnePlus 7 Pro. This process might take around 3 to 4 minutes. And there we go. We have successfully flashed the Android 12 GSI image on our OnePlus 7 Pro. And now let's give the last command. So again, you can copy the command from the description below and paste it in the command prompt. Once you paste, hit enter. And you can see we did not get any kind of error. So now we are good to go, and let's boot a device into system. For that you can give a command, that is fast boot reboot. And now our device will boot into Android 12. And there we go. You can see the boot animation of Android 12 on our OnePlus 7 Pro. So guys, this was a quick look on Android 12 Beta 4.1 along with the installation guide. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.